into the woods, into the shadow. Show me the way, show me the way.
I love it out here. More fun than a person can, than any, I guess any sane person could imagine. See, and they're wonderful little puzzles.
Exciting day. It's a good day. Getting ready to figure out, you know, where the parameters of our site are. Trying to figure out where we're going to collect stuff.
We counted everything on the top of the surface last year, believe it or not, and we came up with about 6,000 artifacts on the surface of the site. And down in that direction, it's very cool because we found a concentration of 8 scrapers in a very delimited area, suggesting that was a specialized activity area for hide scraping, and probably a female task area. And what's really interesting about that is that it's also placed in such a way that one would expect it sort of downwind from the main occupation area, which is up here. Very distinctive tools compared to what's here, and it's just it's almost like a classic kind of a thing that you rarely find on an archaeological site.
Petrified logs stick out of the hillside in various places because they've been eroded, so that just the logs remain. And then the Native Americans, came in and hacked them off of what they could get off of what they could get. That's a heated one. The dark red it is. Because once you heat it, it changes the composition slightly, and it makes the flakes easier to remove. So you can control your flaking better with heating. So a lot of the stuff we find is heated.
Some folks have had an abiding interest in the native populations of this area and have made like an amateur study of it. And some people are just smart and curious and they want to learn stuff. Some people have a real interest in local history in general and now pushing it through archaeology.
And you can tell that it's been used because there's a consistent flaking pattern along this side. There's flaking that's part of like mistakes in the rock being broken, and then there's flaking there's patterns that are human-made patterns, aren't just accidents. And so a nice, like consistent along the whole edge with the wear that's one of the indicators.